doesn't work very well if you don't preheat it first.
Okay, so we're preheating it
We are preheating
right now.
We are almost
And
there.
then there's the filament back there. That's the stuff that you actually make it of, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So you bring your thumb drive and you put it in the slot here. Then you turn this if you need to till it's on print. Then you click the button in.
And what does it heat up to? What did you tell me?
180 degrees Celsius
Wow. Okay.
or higher
Bringing this thing up
into position.
into position. All right, here we are at 98% in about 24 and a half minutes. And it's done. All right, Jennifer, hold it up and show it to us. Oh, wow.
And then you
And it's you keychain. And there's a yellow one. Thanks again, Jen.